Welcome student. In previous video we have discussed the definition of subspace and its example. In this video we are going to discuss the definition of linear combination and its example. We know in previous video the definition of vector space and that capital V is a vector space and the elements of capital V are called as a vectors and another field is a capital K and that field is a scalar field and the elements of that field is known as a scalars. But let's start the definition of linear combination. Let V, capital V, be a vector space, capital V be a vector space. Then let u1, comma u2, comma u3 up to um that belongs to capital U. These are the vectors and that belongs to capital V. And with respect to scalars a1, comma a2, comma a3 dot am that belongs to capital K. These are the scalars. Then linear combination, that small v also a vector and that belongs to that capital V. Small v is equal to a1 u1 plus a2 u2 plus a3 u3 plus plus am um. These are the linear combination. This is the definition of linear combination, that vectors, that's vector v that belongs to capital V, these are the vector and it is the linear combination of that scalars and that vectors. Then let's start the example number 1. This linear combination, the example of linear combination or that point of linear combination is useful to the linear dependence and linear independence. The next point, then start the first example. Write the vector 1 comma 7 comma minus 4 1 comma 7 as a linear combination of vector e1 is equal to 1 comma minus 3 comma 2 comma e2 is equal to 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 full stop. Problem are, write the vector 1 comma 7 comma minus 4 as a linear combination of vector e1 is 1 minus 3 2 and e2 is 2 minus 1 1. Then the resultant vector, that small v, are the 1 comma 7 comma minus 4 and the vectors are denoted by e1 and e2. Then the vector e1 and e2 with respect to scalars a1 and a2. Then we calculate the value of the scalars. Then the scalars are a1 and a2. Then consider the linear combination. Linear combination. Consider the linear combination. Small v is equal to a1. Vectors are e1 plus a2 e2. Then substitute the value of substitute the value of e1 e2 and small v. Small v are the 1 comma 7 comma minus 4 is equal to a1 as it is e1 1 comma minus 3 comma 2 plus a2 as it is then e2 are 2 minus 1 comma 1. Therefore this 1 comma 7 comma minus 4 as it is, then multiply in brackets by a1, first a1 comma minus 3a1 comma 2a1 plus 2a2 comma minus a2 comma a2, then 1 comma 7 comma minus 4 as it is equal to, then addition of that two bracket, first element of that bracket plus first element of second bracket, then term is a1 plus twice a2 comma minus 3a1 minus a2 comma twice a1 plus a2, twice a1 plus a2. Therefore, then equating that two sides, then first equation are a1 plus twice a2 is equal to 1 minus 3a1 minus a2 is equal to 7 twice a1 plus a2 is equal to minus 4. Equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. Equation are a1 plus twice a2 is equal to 1 minus 3a1 minus a2 is equal to 7 twice a1 plus a2 is equal to minus 4. Then next, solve that three equation and to find the value of the scalars a1 and a2. The first equation is a1 plus a2 is equal to 1 and second equation is minus 3a1 minus a2 is equal to 7. First of all, so to solve the equation number 1 and equation number 2, then multiply equation 1 by 3 and the addition of that two equation. Multiply equation 1 by 3 and add in equation 2. Then equation 1 are the a1 plus twice a2, a1 plus twice a2 is equal to 1. Multiply by equation 1 by 3, 3a1 plus 6a2 is equal to 3. 3a1 plus 6a2 is equal to 3 and add in equation number 2 plus equation number 2 are the minus 3a1 minus a2 is equal to 7 minus 3a1 minus a2 is equal to 7. Addition plus 3a1 minus 3a1 get cancelled, 6 minus 1 5a2 is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This in that side 5 will be multiplied, then transformed in that other side. This is the multiply and transformation of that 5 in other side, it will be the divide. Then a2 is equal to 10 divided by 5, 10 divided by 5, then a2 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to, and that the value of a2 in equation 3. Put a2 is equal to 2 in equation 3, we get therefore equation 3 are the 2a1 plus a2 is equal to minus 4. Put the value of a2. Equation 3 are the 2a1 plus a2 is the 2 is equal to minus 4. Therefore 2a1 is equal to this plus 2, it will be transformed that side, it will be the minus 2, then minus 4 minus 2, therefore 2a1 is equal to minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, and therefore twice a1 is equal to minus 6, and therefore a1 is equal to minus 6. These are the multiply in that side, this 2 will be divide, and therefore a1 is equal to minus 6 divided by 2 minus 3, and let's the a1 is equal to minus 3. To find the two scalars, that a1 and a2, a1 are the minus 3 and a2 are the 2, and therefore the linear combination is that v is equal to a1 is the minus 3 e1 plus a2 is the 2 e2. These are the required linear combination. The next example number 2. Example number 2. Find the value of k. Find the value of k is 1 comma k comma 5, 1 comma k comma 5 as a linear find the value of k is 1 k 5 as a linear combination of vectors u is equal to 1 minus 3 2, u is equal to 1 minus 3 2, and v is equal to 2 minus 1 comma 1 full stop. In that problem we find the value of k by using the linear combination. Consider the linear combination that v is equal to, vectors are given, then a1u plus a2v. Substitute the value of vectors, that resultant vector 1k5 is equal to a1 as it is, u is the 1 minus 3 2, 1 minus 3 2 plus a2 in bracket 2 minus 1 1, then 1k5 as it is equal to multiply by a1 in bracket, then a1 into 1 a1 comma minus 3 into a1 minus 3 a1 comma a1 into 2 twice a1 bracket complete, plus then multiply a2 in bracket 1 by 1, 2 into a2 twice a2 comma minus 1 into a2 minus a2, 1 into a2 a2, then for 1k5 as it is equal to, then addition of that two bracket a1 plus twice a2, a1 plus twice a2 comma minus 3 a1 minus a2 comma twice a1 plus a2, twice a1 plus a2, then equating the two sides. First equation is a1 plus twice a2 is equal to 1, then minus 3a1 minus a2 is equal to k, and therefore twice a1 plus a2 is equal to 5. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. We solve the two equation, we solve the three equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. And therefore the equation 1, first we solve the equation number 1 and equation number 3. Equation number 1 is the a1 plus twice a2 is equal to 1, and equation number 3 is the twice a1 plus a2 is equal to 5. Then multiply equation 1 by equation 1 by 2 and subtract from equation number 3. Then multiply equation 1 by 2, and subtract from equation number 3. In equation number 3 are the 2a1 plus a2 is equal to 5. Then multiply equation 1 by 2, that equation 1 is the, and multiply by twice a1 plus 4a2 is equal to 2, subtraction, then sign will be changed, plus is a minus, plus is a minus, plus is a minus, plus twice a1 minus twice a1 will be cancelled, then a plus 1 and minus 4 is a minus 3 a2 is equal to 3, and therefore a2 is equal to minus a2 is equal to 3 divided by 3, and therefore minus a2 is equal to 1. Then throughout multiply by minus 1, and therefore a2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore a2 is equal to minus 1, and we use the value of a2 is equal to minus 1, that put a2 is equal to minus 1 in equation number 2, and we find the then put the value of a2 in equation number 1, and we find the value of a2, and both value a1 and a2 in equation, they put both the value of a1 and a2 in equation number 2, and then we find the value of k. Then put a2 is equal to minus 1, put a2 is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. We get equation 1 are the a1 plus twice a2 is equal to 1, a1 as it is, plus 2 into a2 minus 1 is equal to 1 as it is. Therefore a1 2 into minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then a1 is equal to minus 2 transform by other side, minus 2 transform by other side will be plus 2, then 1 plus 2, and therefore a1 is equal to 3. Then put a1 is equal to 3 and a2 is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. We get equation 2 are the minus 3a1 minus a2 is equal to k. Therefore minus 3a1 3 minus a2, and a2 are the minus 1 is equal to k. Minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus minus plus 1 is equal to k. One are the positive quantity and one are the negative quantity. It will be the subtracted and bigger number sign. Minus 9 plus 1 minus 8 is equal to 4, and therefore k is equal to minus 8, and therefore k is equal to minus